How's it going, everybody? Today we have a really quick unboxing video. What we have is something that the great people over at Lithium Auto Care sent me. What is it? Let's find out. That's right, Lithium Auto Care, or Lithium Auto Elixirs, depending on how you want to look at it. They're both the same company and they both make great products. What did they send me? I don't know just yet. We're fixing to find out together, but I wanted to give you a little bit of a backstory. Now, I don't remember the exact date. I guess I'll have to look it up one of these days, but it was either last year or the year before. Lithium Auto Care, which I knew them as Lithium Auto Elixirs then, sent me a message on Instagram and asked if I would care to try some of their products. And me being a car guy, yes, absolutely, I'm your guy. But any of you that know me know that I will take the product, I will follow the directions exactly like it says if possible, and I will give an honest review. I won't pull any punches, I won't tell any lies about it. I just do what I do. But anyhow, through that, Josh and I, one of their guys at Lithium, and if you watch any of their videos, Josh and Bill are in the videos, and I'll put the link to their video series below because they really make great products. They really care and they have a great sense of humor. They're very fun to watch. But the cool thing about it is, if you're interested in, you leave a comment and they use a random picker and then they give away products at the end of the video, which is really cool. What company does that? You know, they have enough pride in their products to where they want you to have them. They want, you know, pick some winners and give them away. I don't see any other companies do that. Not the great bicycle cleaning guy or none of the other companies, you know. But with that said, let's find out what's in the box. Enough jabbing, right? The guys over at Lithium, and gals, I'm sorry, sent me this, like I said earlier, and I have no idea what it is. I have an idea of what I hope it is, because they've got several new products fixing to come out. Josh and I have been talking back and forth. Sorry, Josh, if I wasn't supposed to mention your name, but anyhow, Josh and I have been talking back and forth on Instagram about, you know, he was alluding to some new products that they had coming out that they've been working hard. Didn't tell me what they were or anything like that, but he alluded to, you know, we got some great products you're going to be interested in, and you know, it went from there. You know, we communicate back and forth, like I said. Really great guy to talk to, and I'm always shooting him ideas. You know, have y'all thought about this? Have y'all thought about that? They probably think I'm just some crazy nut, you know. Who really knows what they think? But they took the time to send this, so let's open it right now. I cut the tape on the bottom so we'd get rid of all the awkwardness and fumbling, and let's see what we have in here. Right? Look at that. It's your time to shine. Now, before I look and see, I have not looked to see what's in here yet. One of the great things about Lithium Auto Care is they use natural ingredients. They don't use a lot of chemically made, man-made, fake stuff to put it just shine on your car and call it done. You know, here's your bottle, $49.99. Thank you very much. They put a lot of time, a lot of thought, a lot of testing. It's just an overall great experience the way they do things. It's kind of hard for me to communicate to you through the camera, but they really take the time to put forth the effort. Like I said, through the testing, the reviews, they listen to what people say by using their products and everything. So that's one of the reasons I really like them. They take the time, they don't ignore you, and they use all natural ingredients. Not in everything, I'm certain, but where they can. So here we go. What do we have? Let's open this box up a little bit further. Time to Shine Ultra Premium Elixirs. Right there. As you can see, there's either a note or an invoice, I don't know what. So I still don't know what it is. So let me put my old man specs on. Cooper's over here in the, I'll give you a shot of him here in a minute. He's over here in the love seat beside me, watching, make sure I don't screw up. Well, let's see what this is first. I'm gonna set that to the side. I still ain't gonna show you. I know T's right. Well, here we go. Wow. Personalization. Look. Took the time to put my name in the note, right? And as you can see, Lithium. I don't know if they want me to read this to you, but I'm going to anyway. Can always edit it out, right? Hi Pete, I hope you have been doing well and business is booming. We just got our new interior detailer bottled up and it made us pretty excited about sharing it with the world. I bet so. Anytime you come, you put a lot of time and effort and set your baby out there, you know, you get excited. It is called Inner Space. What makes it different, or its superpower if you will, is it focuses on conditioning and protecting more than any other product on the market. First and foremost, it contains ingredients formulated to make surfaces healthy. It also contains natural UV inhibitors and without any added solvents. After a couple uses, the surfaces in your interior will have zero shine, but will look like they did the car came out of the showroom. And that's one of the things I really like. I love their trim serum. It makes a nice deep black shine on your plastics and stuff, but or a nice black color, but it doesn't shine. It just makes it wonderful. Also, we have 6 more new products coming out in the next 2 months that we've been working on for over a year. Sorry, we're not that bright. It takes us a bit longer. Nah, you guys are doing good. We hope that some of them will be game changers, and we would love to send them your way as they are finalized, if you don't mind. I don't mind. I'm a car guy. Send them all. We appreciate you accepting our gift and would be extremely excited to hear how you like it or not, and any suggestions you may have. Bill and the Lithium team. Bill, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And if y'all guys think I'm telling a fib about it, look at that. Like it or not. That says a lot. They want feedback, good, bad, or indifferent. Right? Look at that. I didn't skip anything. I read it word for word. Now let's see what we got here. Actually, 2 things in here. Wow, it's a good sized bottle too. I don't know how much this is going to cost. But like he said, it is inner space. I love these guys' wording on stuff. Like their clay bar is called 4-clay because, you know, you use it before you do anything else. So it's 4 treatment, 4 polishing, 4 waxing, before. Kind of get it, play on words. Or you could take it the other way, however you want to do it. It's called 4-clay. 16 ounces of enlightenment. Man, can't wait to try that. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this now, I got this today, but it's been raining all day, so I haven't had time to try this. I'm going to, you can believe that. But I wanted to get it out there showing their new product, right? Like I said, I didn't know they were sending anything. They just boxed it up and sent it to me. But it's raining, foggy, misty, being crappy all day. Can't get out there to do anything in the car, but I'm going to. But like I said, this is just unboxing. Let's rip this bad boy open, Cooper. You want to? See if it has any kind of smell. Spray nozzle. Inner space. Whoa. Lots of writing on the back. I'll have to read that when we actually use it, so be looking for the video. But there you go. See if it has any smell to it. I have smelled that before. Hold on, let me think about it. Almost like, I don't know if a bunch of you would be able to understand what I'm trying to say, but way back when I was a kid, they had a bubble bath, and it just had a wild bubblegumish type smell, kind of like the old bazooka bubble gum, if you know what I'm talking about. You got the little comic strip in there, and you had the little stick of really hard chewing gum, but after you chewed on it for about 5-10 minutes and it didn't break your teeth, you would have some nice gum that lasted all day. It's kind of what it smells like. And what is this? Let's open it up and see. I have no idea. I can tell it's got their symbol on it. Cool, man. Wow. They sent me a banner. Look at that. Holy moly. And if you notice in any of my shots, I don't have any kind of banners or anything, but look at this. There's a symbol for the lithium, which is on the compound elements table, right? That's the symbol for lithium. Didn't think I knew that, did you? Look at that. That is really, really cool. Craft waxes, leather preservation, ceramics, exceptional accessories. Wow. Thank you so much. I will put this up. You have no idea. Boy, it's going to be mad at me. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. But I just want to share this unboxing real quick so you can see what I got and tell you about an upcoming video, right, where you see this in use. If you really want to see it in use first, go back and look at some of their videos on the link that I'm going to give in the description box where they actually show this. They have this, a new compound coming out. They've got a actual car shampoo that they're coming out with, some new detail brushes they have and stuff like that. I'm hoping to get my hands on some of that stuff, but wow, thank you very, very much. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I know I am, right? Love it, love it. Anytime us car guys get anything new for our cars, makes our day, right? So until next time, get out there and enjoy your car. I'm going to enjoy mine tomorrow because it's supposed to be nice after I go to a car show. Don't tell the wife. But anyhow, supposed to go to a car show, and then I'll try this. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.